Method overloading in Java is like having a versatile chef who can cook various dishes with the same name but with different ingredients or preparation methods. In programming terms, it allows a class to have multiple methods with the same name but different parameter lists. Imagine you run a restaurant, and you offer a dish called special pasta. Now, some customers may want it with just cheese, while others may prefer it with extra veggies. In Java, method overloading works similarly. You can have multiple versions of a method, each tailored for different types or numbers of parameters. In this example, the chef class has two methods named make special pasta, each accepting different parameters. In the main method, we create an instance of the chef and call both versions of make special pasta to cook pasta with different ingredients. Method overloading enhances code readability and flexibility, allowing developers to use the same method name for logically similar operations while adapting to different input scenarios. It's like having a chef who can prepare the same dish in various delightful ways based on your preferences. See you again. Thank you.